The most significant achievement of modern law in India is the constitutionalization of environmental problems by the Supreme Court. Discuss this statement with the help of relevant case laws. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The Indian Supreme Court plays a vital role in integrating environmental issues into the country's legal framework. It has interpreted the Constitution to support the right to a healthy environment as a fundamental right. Body 1, 2, 3, 4. MC Mehta v. Union of India, 1987. Oleum gas leak case. Expanded Article 21 to include the right to a pollution-free environment. Introduced absolute liability, holding industries accountable for harm from hazardous activities. MC Mehta v. Union of India, 1997. Taj Mahal preservation case, applied the precautionary principle and polluter pays principle. Ordered closure of polluting industries near the Taj Mahal to protect the monument. Vellore Citizens Welfare Forum v. Union of India, 1996. Recognized the precautionary principle and polluter pays principle as key in environmental law. Guided authorities to prevent pollution and ensure polluters pay for remediation. T.N. Godavarman Thirumulpad v. Union of India, 1997. Forest conservation case, expanded Article 48A and 51A, G, to include duties for environmental protection. Established the Central Empowered Committee, CEC, for monitoring forest conservation. Conclusion. These cases illustrate the Supreme Court's critical role in addressing environmental challenges in India. By interpreting the Constitution creatively, the court has broadened fundamental rights, incorporated international principles, and emphasized the responsibility to protect the environment for future generations.